The valley is waking up. What a beautiful morning to start our journey. The sun is rising over the valley. There she is, our yellow bee. I polished the chrome yesterday. The yellow van looks beautiful in this light. Everything is so quiet. The latch click. It is finally time to start. My boots crunch on the wet grass. The morning is very peaceful. I love the fresh air. I am ready for this adventure. Hello! I am Ben. This is Bee. She is more than a vehicle. She is my home. She is a beautiful yellow RV. Today is a big day for the Roaders. Organization is key. I can't forget anything. We are preparing for our long journey. I have a list of everything to check. I have a checklist. Maya is here. Here is the mother of our little team. She brought so many books. She has the books for the children.
Hello, I am Maya. I have the books.
She's looking for her favorite crate. I wonder, what does she have in there? Maya picks up a green plant.
I am a botanist. This is my green plant.
I hear them giggling. Here are the children. Toby and Daisy run out to play, full of energy. They love the valley. We are a happy family. They are my children. We are a family. Back to the work. Just a few things left. What do we have to find? Toby is in charge of navigation. I looks at Toby. Do you have the map? I hope he didn't leave it on his bed. Toby looks for the map in his pocket. There it is, right where it should be. Toby pulls out a map.
I have the map.
One more item crossed off. Now for the youngest traveler. Then I looks at Daisy to check her gear. Do you have your jacket? It's her favorite color. Daisy finds her red jacket hanging on the RV.
I have my red jacket.
Everything is looking good. We have food, books, and everything else. We are ready. Wait, that doesn't sound right. Oh no, The van does not start.
Is B sick?
Let's see what's going on under here. She is thirsty. Teamwork makes it easy. Toby helps with the water to cool her down.
Goodbye, Valley.
That was a wonderful journey. Now, let us review what we have learned today. Welcome. Welcome. I am the father. She is the mother. They are. We are. Children, family. We are a family. It is van, yellow, beautiful. It is a beautiful van. I have map. I have a map. She has book, plant, green. She has a green plant. You have jacket. You have a jacket. We have food, water, thirsty. We have food and water. Help. Start. Help start the van. Move. Ready. We are ready to move.